Hi friends, welcome to Rasul Sansa channel. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe and share my channel. The Director General of the Public Authority for Manpower PAM approved a mechanism of converting commercial visit visa to work permit in accordance with the provisions of Article 18. The cooperation with the Ministry of Interior and amendment was made to issue work permit to those who hold commercial visits, sources informed quoting Director General of PAM. However, approval to Corona Emergency Committee is required to issue commercial visit visa after the approval of the need by the employer. More than 80 people were arrested during the security raid at Korean Markets area on Monday. The majority of them are domestic workers with Afghan cases of them and many others without any identity card. Last week, Kuwait strengthened the security campaign to arrest all residence violators and took more than 500 violators in custody. The Assistant Undersecretary of the Ministry of Interior for Public Security Affairs, Major General Faraj At-Dubai, said that the authority would continue to pursue all residency violators as part of the ongoing security campaigns. The campaign to pursue violator of the residence law is started, and we started this last week in all governorate and regions. The security team will continue to checking until we catch all residence violators who fail to correct their status, whether by renewing the residency or leaving the country, Major General Al-Joibi said. He urged all residence violators to surrender themselves to the nearest police station and they will be dealt with full respect. Their passport will be brought from the sponsors and travel documents will be issued to deport them to their countries at the sponsors' expense, Al-Joibi added. The number of restaurants and cafes in Kuwait, including that provide hookah, reaches approximately 16,000 head of the Kuwait Union of Restaurants, Cafes and Catering Companies, Fahad Al-Arbas said. According to him, there are approximately 4,000 restaurants in Kuwait, excluding the various branches for many restaurants. If the branches of some restaurants, this number will reach between 6,000 and 7,000. However, the total number, including cafes that provide hookah and other services, will reach approximately 16,000. The restaurants and cafe market in Kuwait witnessed the closure of a larger number of them during the past year as a result of the unprecedented repercussion of the COVID-19 pandemic and its health and economic repercussion. After its resumption, the dine-in services in restaurants have acquired nearly 80% of the total requests, which negatively affected restaurant deliveries by up to 25%. A total of 8,641 workers from the restaurant industry had left Kuwait between March 2020 and March 2021. The Arabic newspapers Al-Qafas reported says the restaurant and hotel sector suffered a shortage of specialized work and delivery workers in light of the continued closures and ban on recruitment from abroad due to the corona pandemic for over a year. Salaries of specialized workers in the food industry have more than doubled due to the shortage of the labor in the market, and reports that, quoting the head of the Restaurant Federation, Fahad Al-Arbas, the ban on recruitment of workers from abroad and their shortage in the labor market contributed to the increase in salaries and their transfer between companies. He said the labor in the local market is not specialized in working in the restaurant industry and it is not easy to train them to join. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you.